Okay, today we'll be connecting two cabinets vertically. I'm going to connect this one on top of this one. You'll notice at the top of the cabinet there are 4 slots. 1, 2, 3, 4. We will be inserting this special metal strip and we'll be securing it through the side, like so. Commence with the first one. Simply drop the strip, line it up, get the finger tight. You will repeat the process hand type only for each corner. There are 2 screws per strip. Okay, as you can see, I've now installed the 4 strips, 2 screws per end. Now, please remember to make sure these are only hand tight. You will not to tighten these with the screwdriver. So to connect these vertically, what we'll be doing is grabbing the cabinet that goes on top, taking the cases out of it. What you want to do is reduce the weight. Now that the cases are removed, you simply grab it, and the base of the product will have 4 slots that will coincide with the strips. You can just carefully position this and it should slide in on top like it has. And simply repeat the process again. Now you will notice there are 3 holes here, but we will only be using 2 of those screws, or 2 of those holes to put screws in. It's just a matter of lining it up, doing it with your hands. And repeat the process for each corner. Okay, we're now up to the last screw. Just remember, everything is hand tight to the very end. Once you have started the thread every single one of these 16 screws, just do a minor adjustment, make sure it lines up flush, and just go through on a low torque setting again.